in the background of this very subtle threats, we will also have to have a plan B if we want to continue with the government.
So plan B is ready with you?
Yeah, with me it is ready. I don't know whether it is ready with the BJP. They have to take a call.
Because everybody...
I don't think a midterm election is wanted by anybody other than perhaps the Congress High Command, which wants to basically capitalize on the health of the BJP government. Health, basically because of the leadership having a health crisis. So it is only the local Congress organization and perhaps to some extent the Congress High Command which may want the election. Nobody else in Goa wants the election. None of the elected representatives want an election. So this election bogey is being created to frighten the legislators and to induce a midterm poll. It would be very yet another uniqueness of Goa to get a poll within 2 years of when we have a 5-year term to complete. But I don't think a midterm election is wanted by anyone and it would be an unpopular.
But difference?
See, even if there is a contemplation that something will happen, we are also prepared. We are not going to just sit quiet. Sarkar केला तो इतला त्रासान उगीच पडून घेतले.
No, but if there is no...
Because of one by-election.
You know, if there is no threat, then what makes you to come out with a statement saying that we are ready for alternate plan B?
You also know.
We are ready for plan B.
You also know that there are some things which are happening. There is a by-election which is coming. There is a very, once again, an extraordinary circumstance wherein the allies are thinking of fighting each other. We can't even call it a friendly fight. I don't believe in such words called friendly fights. Nothing is friendly. You cannot fight in a friendly way.
In this circumstances, you are ready with the plan B?
Yes, we are ready with that. Surely.
And Vijay will lead that?
Huh?
Vijay can lead that?
No. I'm not saying it is a BJP-led government. The BJP has to take a call because it is led by them. They have a center. We are talking about cooperative federalism. We are trying to get money from there to do some development here, which is also exemplary. If they don't take a call, then something else may happen.
Vijay Bab, there is a question.